If you're always searching for exciting new Linux distributions, then today's topic is definitely worth your attention. LunaOS is one of the newest names entering the Linux ecosystem. And while it may not yet be a mainstream distribution like Ubuntu, Fedora, or Linux Mint, it aims to offer a clean, modern, and user-friendly desktop experience. In this first look, we're booting directly into the LiveISO to explore what LunaOS has to offer before installation. Live sessions are an excellent way to evaluate a distribution because they let you experience the desktop, test hardware compatibility, and explore the included software without making any changes to your existing system. So let's dive into LunaOS and see whether this newcomer has the potential to become a serious option for Linux users. The first thing you'll notice after booting the LiveISO is how quickly the desktop loads. The boot process feels responsive, and the system presents a polished login or welcome environment depending on the edition you're testing. Once inside the desktop, LunaOS immediately gives the impression that its developers have focused heavily on visual simplicity. The interface feels modern without trying to imitate Windows or macOS too closely. Instead, it combines familiar desktop concepts with a fresh appearance that should make both newcomers and experienced Linux users feel comfortable. Icons are clean, the wallpaper is attractive, and the overall theme is consistent throughout the operating system. One of the strongest first impressions comes from desktop responsiveness. Even when running entirely from a USB drive, LunaOS feels lightweight and surprisingly fluid. Opening applications, switching between workspaces, and navigating system menus all happen with very little delay. This suggests that the developers have paid attention to optimization. While LiveISO performance is never a perfect representation of an installed system, it does provide a good indication of how efficiently the operating system is designed. Users with older hardware may especially appreciate a distribution that avoids unnecessary background services while still maintaining a visually appealing desktop. Looking around the desktop, the layout is intuitive. The application launcher is easy to access, settings are logically organized, and system notifications are presented in a clean manner. The panel includes the expected essentials such as network status, audio controls, battery information on laptops, and the clock. Navigation doesn't require any learning curve, making LunaOS approachable even for someone trying Linux for the very first time. That's an important advantage because one of Linux's biggest challenges has always been helping new users feel comfortable immediately after booting into the system. The included software selection also deserves attention. Rather than overwhelming users with dozens of pre-installed applications, LunaOS appears to focus on providing the essentials. You'll typically find a web browser, office tools, media player, image viewer, file manager, terminal emulator, text editor, and system utilities ready to use. This balanced approach keeps the operating system lightweight while still allowing users to be productive immediately after installation. Those who need specialized software can easily install additional packages later using the system's package manager or software center. The file manager is another highlight during this first look. It feels responsive, supports common file operations, and presents folders in a clean interface. External USB drives are detected quickly, and browsing through files is smooth. For many users, the file manager becomes one of the most frequently used applications, so having a reliable and polished implementation contributes significantly to the overall user experience. LunaOS appears to understand this by keeping the interface simple while including the features most people actually use every day. System settings are well organized and easy to navigate. Whether adjusting display resolution, changing wallpapers, configuring network connections, or managing user accounts, the options are presented in a logical way. Users migrating from Windows or another Linux distribution should have little difficulty finding common settings. Modern Linux desktops continue to improve usability, and LunaOS seems to embrace that philosophy by reducing unnecessary complexity while still exposing advanced options when needed. Hardware detection is another area where LunaOS performs well during a LiveISO session. Network adapters, audio devices, USB peripherals, and display outputs are generally recognized automatically. Wireless networking connects quickly, audio playback works immediately, and display scaling options help accommodate both traditional monitors and modern high-resolution displays. Automatic hardware detection is especially valuable for first-time Linux users because it eliminates one of the historical pain points associated with desktop Linux installations. Performance monitoring shows that LunaOS maintains relatively modest system resource usage while idle. Memory consumption remains reasonable, leaving more resources available for applications. CPU utilization stays low when the system isn't actively performing demanding tasks, which contributes to both responsiveness and battery life on portable devices. Lightweight resource usage doesn't necessarily mean sacrificing features, and LunaOS demonstrates that a polished desktop can still remain efficient under normal workloads. One interesting aspect of LunaOS is its attention to visual consistency. Menus, dialog boxes, icons, fonts, and window decorations all share a unified design language. This creates a professional appearance that makes the distribution feel carefully crafted rather than assembled from unrelated components. Good visual design may not directly improve performance, but it certainly improves the overall experience by making the operating system feel refined and enjoyable to use throughout the day. Software installation appears straightforward as well. The Software Manager provides access to a wide range of applications without requiring command line knowledge. Users can browse categories, search for programs, review descriptions, and install software with just a few clicks. Advanced users will naturally appreciate terminal access and package management commands, but beginners benefit greatly from a graphical interface that simplifies software discovery and installation. This balance between simplicity and flexibility is something many successful Linux distributions strive to achieve. During multimedia testing, LunaOS handles video playback smoothly, and audio quality is excellent. Common media formats appear to work correctly, allowing users to enjoy music and videos immediately after booting into the LiveISO. Web browsing performance is also solid, with modern websites loading quickly and multiple tabs remaining responsive. Since web browsers are among the most demanding applications people use daily, this is an encouraging sign for the operating system's overall usability. Another important consideration is stability. Throughout this initial LiveISO exploration, LunaOS feels stable with no unexpected crashes, freezes, or graphical glitches during normal use. While a longer evaluation would naturally reveal more about long-term reliability, first impressions suggest that the developers have invested time in testing and polishing the user experience before release. Stability is often more important than flashy new features because users ultimately want an operating system they can trust every day. For developers and power users, LunaOS also includes the familiar Linux terminal environment. Command line tools remain available for scripting, programming, package management, and system administration. This flexibility ensures that LunaOS can satisfy casual desktop users while still supporting more advanced workflows. Linux has always been valued for offering both graphical convenience and command line power, and LunaOS continues that tradition without forcing users into either approach. If gaming is part of your workflow, LunaOS appears to provide a solid starting point. While additional testing with Steam, Proton, or native Linux games would be needed after installation, the underlying system feels responsive enough to support gaming, once the necessary software and graphics drivers are configured. Hardware acceleration appears functional during desktop use, which is a positive indicator for future gaming performance. Security is another area worth mentioning. Like most modern Linux distributions, LunaOS benefits from Linux's strong permission model and regular software updates. Running software through trusted repositories helps reduce security risks, while user account protections limit unintended system modifications. Combined with timely updates from the project's maintainers, these features contribute to a secure computing environment suitable for both personal and professional use. After spending time exploring the LiveISO, LunaOS leaves a genuinely positive first impression. It combines a clean and attractive desktop with responsive performance, sensible software choices, efficient resource usage, and a user-friendly interface. While it may still be a relatively new project compared to established Linux distributions, its design choices suggest a clear focus on delivering a modern desktop experience without unnecessary complexity. Of course, a LiveISO can only reveal part of the story. Long-term updates, community support, software compatibility, and real-world daily usage will ultimately determine LunaOS's success. Nevertheless, based on this initial hands-on experience, LunaOS looks like a promising addition to the Linux landscape. Whether you're an experienced Linux enthusiast who enjoys trying new distributions or someone looking for an alternative to Windows with a fresh and polished interface, LunaOS is certainly worth downloading, booting from a USB drive, and exploring for yourself. First impressions matter, and LunaOS manages to make a strong one by offering a smooth, modern, and welcoming Linux experience right from the very first boot.